It's time to make another video, follow-up video, because there is still something that we forgot in the previous video. So I made a copy paste of ArcoLinux App, and we should be pointing to ArcoLinux App Glade. And when we launch ArcoLinux App Glade, here, it wants to launch all kind of things, but not that. What did we forget? I think we have to go at the beginning, the bin, the binary, ArcoLinux App Glade, yes. And then we have a look. At the bottom it says ArcoLinux Application Glade. That we forgot. And is the AAG pointing to it? Let's check it out. Is this pointing to the other one? AAG is pointing to ArcoLinux App Glade. Okay, so that was the only mistake. Probably. Let's hope so. So I can start with my Saturday night. So, you know me. Compare. So this one and that one seem to be different. That's not okay. Why should they seem different? This is our mistake. But when we save this, and we go back, compare, and then they're both the same. Okay, so that's what it was. All right, and hopefully that's the last for today. So 18, 19, one thing we forgot, and everything is messed up. That's life. So the binary had to be changed to Glade user bin. There you go. And unfortunately, it means a lot of work again. That means up, up, up. And we're at number 4. And then we can test it again. Everything should work, and then we're gonna change all the code. So where are you? Here and there. So it was number 4, and oh, look at that. Control C, Control V. ArcoLinux App Glade. And number 13. Lucky number 13. There we go. Double click. F. And it's gonna be Glade. Anything with Glade. Build anything with Glade. Number 13. 2305. It was 04. Better check, otherwise we get errors. Yes, please. Thank you. And while that's building, I set everything up. Repo in here. Up you go. If you are okay. And here is building, downloading, and that's built. That's the dev. That's also there. And let this be the last build for today. Please. Too quick, Eric. I know. Can't wait to stop. what the GNOME stuff is coming in. File roller as well. GVFS. Mother. Okay. So this is what I do, right? It's a reflex, but it's also how you should do it. Open the terminal, update, read. Learn gradually all the applications. And I've read a lot, right? What's this Mother thing doing? This Pacman thing, you can click it and you can ask Mother. Just browse or look Mother. Window Manager and Compositor for GNOME. Ah, GitLab GNOME, GNOME Mother. Have a look, right? Have a look, read. Wayland Display Server and X11, not Wayland. Voila, now you know where it is something. So, updates we shall. Number 4, check. So I have removed -R ArcoLinux App, the other one, right? It's just this one. So there can't be any scripts pointing to a folder because it's not there. AG is, oh, what, ah, what, that hurts, that hurts, that hurts. What the, damn it, my mistake. Now you all are laughing on the floor. LMAO, right? Eric is so stupid. You're right. I am safe. What the F? I don't know. It's for you guys. I'm comforting myself with that. Typo. My God. Well, not really. Forgot it. Jammer. Let's call it a typo. It isn't. It's my GitHub. I can call it whatever I want. Nah. 230505, 230405. No. This is so tedious. Everything matters. It helps if you don't make mistakes. So, this is easy. 2005. Oh, stop. I almost made the mistake. 05. Yes, please. Again. Boom. I have a beautiful update, all GNOME stuff. Not yet. Not yet. Yes. Enjoyment, enjoyment, enjoyment. This one, you know it. Wait for it. Ah, he was always saying, it's done. I had through the old one. It just hangs there. And now it's gone. Fix keys. I've done that. Install these guys. Yep. So the link is important. I checked the glade thing, right? I checked these things, that the pathway is correct. Shouldn't point to ArcoLinux App. I should point to this one. We were get Nemesis, yes, clean, done. Create, and these guys are the longest, so install. AppGlade, sure, remove. It's gone, back in. Cached. Yeah. We're using the same file, the same backup file. Doesn't really matter, does it? No, not for us. No. And then we have this thing, but this thing is just a file, and I probably removed it already from my desktop, so that's gonna work. The only thing, maybe if somebody knows how to get rid of that, so this little button gives us all this stuff, and that's okay. And then we create here, and the only thing you can do is have a look. Control Shift Escape. MK says we're building, well, we've launched a script, but if you wait for a moment, this little CPU will spike, your memory will spike, and a second line comes in here. Oh, look at that. No, not that big. He's busy, that's for sure. But the one we're interested in will kick it into gear. And do we have already an ArcoLinux? Yes, we already have one. So this is the thing, right? You can, but the ArcoLinux.org provides ISOs once a month. This app every second of the day, right? Just run it, click it. You've got an ArcoLinux ISO. Super simple. But we were looking here. I'm waiting for the spike there. Do your work. Come on. Show us the peak. Peak, my friend. Oh, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Something is changing, it's yellow, and nobody's winning. There we go. Things are changing. And spike. Peak already. The Linux kernel. Almost there. Oh, look at that. He still needs to tell us. And that's the one we need, right? Make squash file system. Now the ISO is being built and everything goes back, and that's why I do MK. You see a lot of stuff in here, but the main things are here. The script and the make squash file system. Now the building is starting, and I'll end up with a ISO later on. As you can see somewhere, we can't do anything, we can't click anything. We can click, and after the installation of the ISO, it will follow the clicks, so it will remember the clicks. But best is to leave everything alone when you start building, right? And that's why we have not done any threading, because hey, leave the machine alone when you're building ISOs. Don't start cleaning out the Pacman cache, and don't start removing the ArcoLinux servers and keys and so on and so on and so on, right? Stay away, let it do its thing. And here we'll get an Arch ISO exactly here later on. I'll do that one, and then we'll stop the video because that's almost done, I think. You see the text here. Sometimes it goes, it will say here as well, finished. You can find it in your home directory. Check your home directory. And now the buttons are free. Now you can click anything you like. So, there you got it, right? This is ArcoLinux ISO. Today, what's on the ArcoLinux ISO today? Well, today we have for you in the package list, once you'll find the Linux kernel is find 6.3.1. Voila. That's gonna be on your kernel, well, on your ISO, that kernel. And voila, filaments was a small but necessary change we had to make, otherwise it cannot work. All right, cheers.